video editing. I hope you are liking fine. Yes, it was where I am. I am in the Ikea. So this is the baby elephant. He ate the watermelon from here. And he threw the water from this hole. And it is so much soft toy. In the Ikea, so much soft toys are there. I like it. So this is Cheetah. He lives in the forest. And he walks very fast. I am Cheetah. Now, this oh my god. This skin is blue. And he never closed his mouth. Wow! It stayed in the water. He threw the water from here. It is so much pretty. I like it so much. And this is very soft toy. And his neck is so much big. Now this is the shark. It stays in the water. See his teeth. It is so much sharp. And he lives in the water like whale. He can eat any human and boat. Be careful. Now just so here. It lives in the jungle. It is so much pretty. I like it so much. Hello, I am the bear. Now next. This is a crocodile. Look his eyes. I guess he's angry, Sam. It is so much pretty. Look his tail. And this is the dinosaur. It is so much pretty. Yeah, I like it so much. And this is the monkey. Look, I will show you how it works. Wait, monkey, come back. One second, please. Let me do my hair back, guys. I like this monkey so much. And it is so much soft toy. I like it. I am monkey. Look at myself, guys. And this is Daddy Elephant. Hi, I am Elephant. Make sure if you like this video, smash that thumbs up button and hit that subscribe button. Just do it now. Bye bye guys. Have a good day.